no gas just as you know winter storm warning. I kid you not.
Well, I'm still waiting for Island to issue their winter storm warning, and it's for me.
Wait. What'd you say, Nicholas?
Oh, gas issues winter storm warning for Putnam.
Can you get that?
I hope to God I can. I'm monitoring WWH33 right now. I'm waiting. I'm gonna storm in as soon as it gets relayed. I'm still waiting.
This is the first time I'm under a winter storm warning since like 2014.
Oh, here we go!
Winter storm warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Standard Time Wednesday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches. Nights accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch are expected. Where? In New Jersey, western Passaic County. In New York, Orange and Putnam counties. When? From 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Additional details. Plan on difficult travel conditions, including during the morning and evening commutes on Wednesday. Be prepared for significant reductions in visibility at times. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Check local Department of Transportation Information Services for the latest road conditions. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and eastern New York.
Wait, hold on. What counties are they for? What counties?
Mostly cloudy. No, mainly in the morning.
Okay, it's for the entire CWA.
Winter storm warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected.
Wait, let's see. Just to double check again. Let's see, Berkshire.
How the extended forecast.
Yeah, Litchfield, Berkshire. Oh, so WWH33 and WSJ42 are gonna go off.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for tone and fucking alert issues over almost 40 minutes ago.
By the way, Clay, excellent picture.
Warning!
Saturday, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain in the afternoon.
I'm losing my tape.
Around 3. Chance of rain 40%. Saturday night, cloudy. Rain in the evening. Then a chance of snow and rain after midnight.
I am losing my patience.
Lows around 30.
Don't worry, so am I. I'm waiting for Albany to relay their warnings.
A chance of snow in the morning. Highs in the upper 30s. Chance of snow 40%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows around.
Oh, by the way, since I'm filming, I may as well introduce you guys. I'm here with Halamella. Oh, here we go! Here we go!
Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Wednesday to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches, with localized amounts up to 9 inches, along with sleet and ice accumulations of a light glaze are expected. Where? Eastern Catskills, Capital Region, Northern Taconics into the Northern Berkshires. When? From 7 a.m. Wednesday to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Additional details. Plan on difficult travel conditions. Be prepared for significant reductions in visibility at times. A winter storm warning means significant